Dan Lok is a multi-millionaire internet sales sensation. One of his signature books is FU Money. Now, while I don't like to swear, and don't worry, we won't be swearing, the idea behind this book is very interesting. So what actually is FU Money and how can you get it? Well, you're going to learn all about this today in the animated summary of his book. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to get everything you want in life without worrying about money. It may sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. All you need is a bit of creativity and some know-how, which we'll be getting from the book FU Money by Dan Lok. So, sit back and relax because this is going to be one interesting ride. Money is an important part of our lives. We use it to buy the things we need, and it also provides a sense of security. But what happens when you can't earn money? This can be difficult for many people. Some people are able to live off their savings or family support, but for many others this simply isn't true. If you don't have an income, it can be hard to pay for food, shelter and other essential needs. It can also be difficult to access services like healthcare. And without an income, it can be tough to save for retirement or plan for the future. It can be difficult to afford things when you're on a tight budget. You may have to cut back on spending in order to make ends meet. This can mean making some tough choices, such as whether to buy food or pay the rent. It can also mean having to choose between necessities like buying clothes or paying for utilities. When you're unable to afford these things you need, it can be frustrating and stressful. Now, how do we make money not a problem and possibly enjoy everything that life has to offer? Let us take a closer look at the FU Money by Dan Lok. FU Money by Dan Lok is a book about how to make money and achieve financial freedom. The book provides readers with strategies and tips on how to make money, save money and investment money. The book covers a wide range of topics such as real estate investing, stock market investing and starting your own business. Before we go deeper, what did Lok mean by FU in FU Money? Don't get him wrong. FU Money simply implies to just go and get everything you want in life without worrying about money and costs. To simply put it, it means having financial freedom over your life and enjoying it exponentially. Now we'll discuss the step-by-step procedure on how to attain it. Step 1. FU Money Target List, or FUMT. The FU Money Target List is a list of what you want to have in life. This helps individuals identify and track their financial goals. The list can be divided into 3 categories: short-term, medium-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals are those that can be achieved within a year. Medium-term goals are those that will take 2 to 5 years to achieve. And long-term goals are those that will take more than 5 years to achieve. You should be able to create your own FUMT list. It may be a new house, new car or expensive clothes. It can also be some dream extravagant vacations or all year round celebration plans. After making a list, make sure you also include a price for each target. That way you'll know how much you're going to need to achieve the life and the things that you always wanted. Step 2. Choose the fast way. There are 2 ways to reach financial freedom. One is called the slow way and the other the fast way. The slow way is the traditional way which involves working and saving up. This is a proven effective way but makes you dependent on your employer. You'll also only be able to enjoy your savings after retirement from your job. The fast way, on the other hand, is either by investing or by creating a business. When you're in control of your own income, you have a much greater ability to save and invest for the future. And of course, the more successful your business is, the more financial independence you'll have. You may start enjoying the fruits of your savings as soon as your business flourishes. Now, if you're enjoying this content, please make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so. Let's take a look at step 3. Focus on delivering more value for your business rather than creating more businesses. When it comes to running a successful business, it's important to focus your attention on one specific area. Trying to do too many things at once will only lead to confusion and chaos. It's much better to choose one particular product or service and become the best at it. This doesn't mean that you should never branch out or try new things, but you should always have a clear focus. And by narrowing your focus, you will be able to better allocate your resources and energy. As a result, your business will be more successful and efficient. Now, there are many ways to deliver more value to your business. One is to increase the quality of your products or services. Another way is to deliver more value to your business is to offer discounts or loyalty rewards to customers who purchase from you frequently. Finally, you can also deliver more value to your business by providing excellent customer service. By delivering more value to your business in any of these ways, you'll be able to increase your profits and keep your customers coming back for more. Step 4. Check and look for the 9 qualities of a good business opportunity. Quality 1. Being able to do what you love. You're more likely to feel engaged and motivated in your business if you enjoy it. This can lead to increased productivity and satisfaction. But it can also help you build a strong sense of purpose and meaning in what you do, which can be especially rewarding. Quality 2. It's steady, rising, and is in endless demand. A business with stable, growing, and long-term demand is one that produces goods or services that people will need now and in the future. This type of business is often less affected by economic downturns because people still need the goods or services it provides. Quality 3. It guarantees flexibility. There are many advantages to owning a business that offers flexibility. For one, it can help to reduce stress levels and promote a healthy work-life balance. It can also be a great way to attract and retain talent, as people are often more motivated when they have some control over their schedules. In addition, flexible businesses tend to be more adaptable and responsive to change, which can give them a competitive edge. Quality 4. It has enough room for error. Many businesses operate on a razor-thin margin of error, and any misstep can lead to disaster. For example, a restaurant might lose money if it overcooks a steak or forgets to include an ingredient in a dish. However, there are some businesses that offer a bit more room for error. For instance, a hardware store can sell damaged merchandise at a discount or return it to the manufacturer for credit. In general, businesses that have built-in cushions against mistakes are more likely to weather the storms of competition and emerge unscathed. Quality 5. It's manageable. A scalable business is one that can grow to meet demand without sacrificing quality or incurring excessive costs. In order to scale effectively, businesses need to have systems and processes in place that can be replicated and expanded as needed. Quality 6. It doesn't require high capital. There are many low-cost business ideas out there, so it shouldn't be too difficult to find one that suits your interests and skills. For example, if you're crafty, you could start a jewellery making business using only a few supplies and tools. Or if you're good with computers, you could start a freelance web design business with very little overhead. The important thing is to research your chosen industry and make sure there's a market for your products or services. Quality 7. It can perform with little or no staff at all. In today's business world, one of the keys to success is having a lean staff. And thanks to technology, there are now a number of ways to run a successful business with fewer employees. By utilising these and other technological advances, businesses can operate more efficiently and effectively with less staff. As a result, they can save money on labour costs and be more profitable overall. Quality 8. It can rely on affiliates and contractors. The main advantage of using an affiliate is that they are usually lower in cost since they don't require the same benefits as a full-time employee, such as health insurance or paid time off. Contractors' advantage is that businesses can specify the exact services that they need from the contractor, and there's no long-term commitment. Additionally, contractors are often more flexible in their work schedule. Quality 9. It should be able to develop as a passive income. Passive income is a type of income that requires minimal effort to generate. Unlike active income, which is earned through direct participation in an activity, passive income is generated even when you're not actively working. With passive income, you can earn money while you sleep. Worry-free finances are attainable with a bit of organisation and effort. Begin by evaluating your current financial situation. Make a list of your income, debts and expenses. Then set some goals. Once you have set your goals, create a budget that will help you to achieve them. Track your spending for a month to get an idea of where your money is going, and then make adjustments to ensure that your spending aligns with your goals. Finally, refrain from making impulse purchases and stick to your budget as much as possible. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and enjoy peace of mind. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. If you'd like to learn more about starting your own business, just click in the details below. And if there's a particular video you're looking to see, well, let us know in the comments below. To create is effort, to copy is genius. Albert Einstein. And remember, if you want to change your life, you need to make a change.